calling me for the welcome address. Good morning and Sada Namaskar to all present. I am indebted to the Honorable Chancellor, Shri Rajiv Pothiwal, for choosing me to carry out this important responsibility of forming the IFM University Alumni Association. I started my work on August 1, 2018, and with the support, cooperation and coordination of the entire alumni and all present here. Today, on March 1, 2019, I am here to welcome you all. It's a tradition, or rather a system, to start the welcome from the honorable dignitaries. But since it's the day of you all, so with the due permission of the dignitaries, I shall start my welcome from you all. I feel immense pleasure and honored to extend my warm welcome and Dher Sara Abhinandan to all the alumni who came here from all over, and the dignitaries, Shri Rajiv Pothiwal, the Honorable Chancellor, Shri Abhinav Pothiwal, Member IFM Society, which is the sponsoring society of IFM University, Dr. A.K. Ghosh, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Shri Sanjeev Agarwal, the Registrar, Dr. M.P. Pandey, the Finance Officer, Directors, media persons, and all present here to the first meeting of the IFM University Alumni Association. It's an occasion where the students gather at their alma mater and go down to their memory lane and look forward for some new innovations, practices or ideas. Here you also get the opportunity to interact with the living and non-living assets of your alma mater, and you can also compare from then and now. I also appreciate the positions which you are holding in the society and contributing to the society by justifying what you have learned from here, as you are the real ambassador of the IFM University. In my view, any separation or parting is like a death, and any gathering or reunion is like a heaven. So dear friends and alumni, feel yourself in heaven. I am the alumni of the first batch of BBA of the erstwhile IFTM, which has now been merged in the IFM University. At that time, it was an affair of 3 rooms in a rented building and with 3 courses and with the intake of 180. But as of now today, it is an affair of more than 1,000 rooms in our owned land of 55 acres, more than 70 courses, and with an intake of more than 3,000. So, in respect of this unimaginable development, I would fail to fulfill my any duty, including this address, if I don't tell that I am proud to be an IFM and expect the same from you all. So please, you all are requested to say with me that we are proud of IFM. We are proud to be an IFM. Please say. We are proud to be an IFM. Jai Hind, Jai IFM. Thanks for your patience and have a great day.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request all the alumni to please give a brief introduction about yourself, mentioning your name, course and batch. May I request our student volunteers to provide the mic, please.
Good morning, all of you. I am Swati Rai, and I have done my MBA in 2008, when I was a pass out in 2010, and currently I am serving as an assistant professor here at Self School of Business Management, and I have also completed my PhD from IFT University, and I am really proud.
Member, Executive Council, Shri Abhinav Pothiwal, Vice Chancellor, Professor A.K. Ghosh, controller of the examination, Dr. Atul Srivastava, finance officer, Dr. M.P. Pandey, directors, alumni, media persons, faculty and staff, and all present over here. I am very much indebted to be the part of this first alumni week of IFPM University. Really, memories are always gone, but reviving them is older. So, I feel we will develop a tradition of making memories and reviving them. I feel proud to say that I am continuing in the organization since its inception, means since 1996. And I have witnessed humble beginning as an affiliated institution in 1996, and that has grown to this expanded university. I call myself among the first alumni of IFPM University because I had a commitment when I joined the organization. I still remember the first batch of 1996. Some alumni luckily are with us, like Ankit and Anupam. They people are with us. I see it. So, actually, I saw you, many of you, striving very hard and for achieving your goals and worrying for your career. It has been so long, but it seems as if it was of yesterday. I welcome you all and hope that you will meet with your peers and faculty and revive the contacts. I am delighted to see all of you here and I extend my sincere gratitude to all of you, whosoever is present in this hall. So I would like to add that the graph showing the progress of the institution is always on its upward trend. For that, I would like to review that is all due to the blessings of our benevolent founder, late Sri Omkar Saran Kosiwal. His philosophy of trust-based management, I can depict like that. He believed in a combination of strategy and implementation. The result is the achievement which is visible to all. I would like to inform that we were the only institution in UP, private institution in UP, which was sanctioned World Bank funded project, technical education, quality improvement program, TTUP phase second, and this successfully completed. And lastly, I would like to wish you all the best for this great reunion. I wish that we will make memories and will continue meeting. Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Members of the dais, ladies and gentlemen. I think if I address your welcome in English, you will decide मैं थोड़ा हिंदी या उर्दू में मैं तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि आप हमारे There has been extreme pleasure to have you with us at the alma mater. This society, Alumni Society, has been my dream, and I've made a conscious effort to get it together. Simply because we need to connect with each other. Of course, it's a beginning. I think that by the year, our gathering will be more stupendous, more tremendous, with large numbers. Actually, why this is close to my heart is because I belong to a school, the Doon School, where we have the strongest alumni in the country. And we have a special connect. We meet very regularly, batches around the country. We have all representatives in all cosmologists, first, 2, 3, all tier towns. And I want that same history to repeat here. And without your cooperation, it would not be possible. And I hope that our society goes from strength to strength. And please be connected with the university and feel proud to be IFTM student. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We feel really privileged to have your supervision. Now, I would like to invite Secretary Interim IFTM University Alumni Association, Dr. Arun Kumar Mishra sir on stage to present the agenda points of first meeting of IFTM University Alumni Association.
Thank you. It is informed that the first meeting of alumni of the IFTM University and erstwhile IFTM and CET was held on January 11, 2019. The highlights of the minutes are as follows. It was decided that IFTM University Alumni Association may be conducted on March 1st, 2019, and alumni may also be invited for the Samaves, that is annual cultural day, which is scheduled the next very day, that was 2nd March, but due to some of the reason it has been rescheduled on the 14th March. All the members present in this hall are also invited for the Samaves, which is to be held on 14th March. The executive committee of the IFTM University Alumni Association was finalized. Statutory body like executive council meeting, academic council, board of studies, etc. And also for innovative talks, lectures, etc. to fetch their valuable input in the next meeting of IFTM University Alumni Association. Till then, the interim office bearers shall work. In order to strengthen the IFTM University Alumni Association, it is proposed that an alumni coordinator may be appointed from each school amongst the old faculty members, preferably who are alumnus, to enrich the arrival database and for regular interaction.
Yeah, I know he is a very good friend of you, and when I came here, I'm his assistant also. So he told me
you can get initiated by connecting to the CR and organizing a visit.
I already have before 2 years back. I had contacted.
Let's start again.
Sure.
Spread our wings.
Sure, sir. Otherwise, we are having a big industry, the export industry. Earlier it was very unorganized, but now with the involvement of the buyers and the buying agent, now it is quite organized. And we really need good candidates from the institutes for the development of the industry. So it is a platform for the IFTM University also to have a factory visit, or you can say the industry visit to that establishment. Currently, I am working with Zakaria Shine Industries as a factory manager, so I will request the recruitment cell to have a factory visit to us also. We are having more than 600 workers, plus more than 100 office staff working with us. So it's a coordination with the industry and the university. So for the university, it's my suggestion to have a factory visit for other factory also, like ours, AC Brothers, CL Gupta. It's quite organized now. So we really require the good candidates from IFTM University. Thank you.
For the IFTM to have an event, maybe in the IFTM or outside IFTM. And in terms of support and contribution, I am there. Being I am in the field of taste sweets, Madhavad, and dealing in FMCG products too. If you are looking for any sponsors from the FMCG, I am there to help you.
It's a very immense pleasure to say a few words. Being an employee and being an alumni of this eminent society, I would like to share my view on the pointer number 3, that is contribution support guide toward enriching IFTM University. Here we are all alumnus and we are working in various areas of this nation building. It is very necessary that we have to develop a connect between an industry and an academia. And this connect will further enrich this IFTM University as an eminent university in the area of science, technology and other specific fields. Thank you.
It means that the students are very eager to join this university and want to learn here, as this university is delivering a good quality, good education, good quality of education. And if I talk about suggestions, currently I do not have any suggestion, but definitely I will drop an email or I will contact to this university if I would be having any suggestion. And I would like to share a little instance of my life in this institute. When I was in 4th semester and my exam was going on, so at that time I was unable to pay 5,000 remaining fees. So I went to my respected HOD ma'am, Mrs. Manjula Jain, and I informed her that ma'am, I do not have the money, which was 5,000 at the time. So I really thankful to this university as well as my Manjula ma'am that she allowed me to sit in the examination without paying 5,000 rupees. And I know the face, sir, who is sitting this side. I'm not remembering the name. I'm really thankful because I went to Pandey sir as well, and he signed simply within 2 minutes and said, okay, yes, you can sit in the examination. So whatever I do today, just because of this university, and I will always be thankful to this university.
और कुछ यूनिवर्सिटी बनने के बाद भी हैं। तो जो यूनिवर्सिटी बनने से पहले थे, जहाँ पे हिंदू कॉलेज का हमारा कोर्सेज चलते थे, उस टाइम BBA कोर्स हुआ करता था और एक MIB, ये 2 कोर्स थे। 97 में फिर BCA कोर्स इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ, वहीं पे हिंदू कॉलेज में फिर एक आपका कोर्स B फार्मा, वो भी वहाँ स्टार्ट हो गया था। उसके बाद 2000 में in 2000 वो कैंपस हमारा यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया डोलीपुर। उसके बाद फिर इंजीनियरिंग स्टार्ट हुआ और 2011 में फुल फ्लैश हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी का स्टेटस हमको मिल गया। उसके बनने के बाद फिर हमारे बहुत सारे कोर्सेज, जिसमें डिप्लोमा, पॉलिटेक्निक कोर्स स्टार्ट हुआ। उसके बाद फिर हमारा लॉ में हमारे कोर्सेज में LLB कोर्स है, LLM कोर्स है, इंटीग्रेटेड लॉ है। उसके बाद हमारा एक स्कूल ऑफ सोशल साइंसेज, उसमें BA, MA, B.Ed, लाइब्रेरी साइंस के कोर्सेज, DLA, ये सारे कोर्सेज में इंट्रोड्यूस हुए। फिर स्कूल ऑफ साइंसेज में BSc, MSc, ये सारे कोर्सेज, BSc ZDBC, BSc मैथमेटिक्स, PCM, ZDBC, ऑनर्स, होम साइंस, ये सारे कोर्सेज इंट्रोड्यूस हुए। फिर एक और स्कूल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, टोटल हमारे पास जो स्कूल है टोटल 11 स्कूल है। इसमें स्कूल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर में हमारे पास BSc इन एग्रीकल्चर, B.Tech इन एग्रीकल्चर, MSc, ये सारे के सारे कोर्स हैं। तो अब हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बहुत स्टूडेंट्स हैं। फार्मेसी में हमारे पास 2 स्कूल हैं, एक हमारा स्कूल ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंसेज है और एक फार्मेसी अकेडमी। दोनों स्कूल की जो कैपेसिटी है B.Pharm कोर्स की, वो 200 सीट की हमारे पास है, 200 सीट्स आ गए। बी फॉर्म में हमारे पास इनटेक है, सैंक्शन इनटेक दोनों स्कूल की मिला के 120। पोजीशन हमारी ये है कि अभी है हमारा फरवरी हमारा हुआ है, अभी मार्च हमने स्टार्ट किया। हमारे पास बी फॉर्म के 120 के अगेंस्ट में हमने 100 सीटें फिल कर दी। और यही पोजीशन हमारी बी फॉर्म कोर्स में, बी फॉर्म की जो हमारे पास टोटल सीट है वो 200 सीट है, उसमें भी हम ऑलमोस्ट 100 सीट फिलअप कर चुके हैं। और जो हमारे एडवांस में हम लोग के रजिस्ट्रेशन अक्टूबर नवंबर में 18-19 में हमारे पास 19-20 के एडमिशन के रजिस्ट्रेशन हुए थे, करीब 40। तो ये हम कह सकते हैं कि बिल्कुल जो फार्मेसी है, फार्मेसी में बिल्कुल हमारी तो मोनोपोली है, मतलब हम लोग अपने टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन पे एडमिशन करते हैं, तो ये बहुत अच्छा साइन है। साथ साथ और भी डिपार्टमेंट्स जो है वो भी अच्छा ग्रो कर रहे हैं। लाइक जैसे स्कूल ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड एप्लीकेशंस है, उसमें बीसीए है, उसमें भी इनटेक हमारी बहुत अच्छी रही, 185। एमसीए में पूरा हमारा जो इनटेक थी वो भी हमने पूरी करी। एक नया कोर्स इस बार हमने पीजीडीसीएस में स्टार्ट किया है। स्कूल ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड एप्लीकेशंस में हम लोगों ने पीजीडीसीए 1 ईयर का प्रोग्राम शुरू किया, तो इसका भी अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स मिलेगा। इसी तरह से स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट में है, जैसे बीबीए कोर्स था, बीबीए और एमबीए, इसमें कोर्स इंट्रोड्यूस जो नए हुए हैं उसमें बीकॉम है, एमकॉम है, बीकॉम पास है, बीकॉम ऑनर्स और बीएचएमसीटी, ये आपका 4 ईयर डिग्री कोर्स है, बैचलर ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट एंड कैटरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, उसमें भी अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है। इसी तरह से हमारे पास क्या मास कम्युनिकेशन के कोर्स है, बीबीएमसी, एमबीएमसी, सोशल वर्क के कोर्सेज हैं, बीएसडब्ल्यू, एमएसडब्ल्यू, लाइब्रेरी साइंसेज में कोर्सेज है, उसका भी अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है। तो आप लोगों से जो भी यहाँ के एलुमनाई हैं, तो जो भी अपने वार्ड से उनको यहाँ के लिए रेफर करें, और सर ने बताया उसमें आपको जो भी डिस्काउंट पॉलिसी होगी है ना, वो सब आपको ऑफर मिलेगा उसको, और आपकी ड्यूटी भी है कि आप यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए कुछ करें, ठीक है। थैंक यू
Vice Chancellor Sir, Registrar Sir, Controller of Examination, Finance Officer, DOG Member Mr. Abhinav Motiwal, Directors of various schools, my dear colleagues, and all of our alumni, for gracing the occasion with their valuable presence. I feel great pleasure to address you all on the auspicious occasion of our first meeting of IFTM University Alumni Association. A day like today is very important for us as it provides us the opportunity to meet with many of our graduates after a long time, as well as provides them a chance to meet each other, their former teachers and other staff members. It also enables the alumni to notice the changes and the developments happened in the IFTM campus then and now. Kindly allow me to express my gratitude towards each and every one of you present over here for sparing some time to be with all of us today. We know that it takes a lot to take some time out of your busy schedule and come over here. But I believe that the experiences of this meeting will be worth the time you all have spent here. 2 decades ago, our college was a very small and growing organization, and if we talk today, our graduates have widely spread throughout the world in search for growth, learning, knowledge, and their performances make a difference everywhere. Many of you are still on my mind, showcasing your excellence and outstanding performance. I would like to praise the multiple roles played by you in the society. Many of you hold the key positions in the industries. I would like to appreciate your efforts being done for the development of our society and justifying the years spent by you for your at this esteemed institution. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all of you for your keen participation as well as the support you have always extended towards your alma mater. I am sure that you will take some positives away from this meet I am delighted to see you people and request you all to enjoy the event and live the moment. Have a good time ahead. Thank you.
To Honorable Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Member of Executive Council, Registrars, COE, Finance Officer, Directors, Heads, colleagues and my dear lovely alumni. Myself Dr. Intizar Mehdi, Director School of Engineering and Technology, formerly known as College of Engineering and Technology, welcome you all in this Alumni Week 2019. It's really wonderful to see you all here today. The Alumni Week is an event for good relationship to be cherished, celebrated and refreshed, and new ones to be formed. College of Engineering had started its operation in 2002 under the aegis of IFTM with only 3 branches, 179 students, 8 faculties, 3 classrooms, 5 labs, etc. etc. Almost 17 years have passed and this small college has been transformed into a big school of university, having different departments with their own infrastructure and staff. Right now around 3,000 students, 150 teaching and non-teaching staff is present. I am fortunate to be one of the finest faculty of engineering and also witness this transformation of a college into a university very closely. Dear friends, life is precious and we would not get another one. So enjoy life and do whatever you feel is good for you, for your family and for the society. You are our ambassadors. My best wishes to you all. Thank you for spending your precious time for this event. Be in touch with us. And before leaving, I must recite one of my favorite lines for you all. उसूलों पे जहाँ आँच आए टकराना जरूरी है. उसूलों पे जहाँ आँच आए टकराना जरूरी है. जो जिंदा हो तो फिर जिंदा नजर आना जरूरी है. बहुत बेबाक आंखों में ताल्लुक टिक नहीं पाता. बहुत बेबाक आंखों में ताल्लुक टिक नहीं पाता. मोहब्बत में कशिश रखने को शर्माना जरूरी है. सलीका ही नहीं शायद उसे महसूस करने का. सलीका ही नहीं शायद उसे महसूस करने का. जो कहता है खुदा है तो नजर आना जरूरी है. जय हिंद जय हिंद.
Next, we look forward for the presence of Dr. Intizar Mehdi sir.
Respected member of IFTM Society, Shri Abhinav Potwal sir, distinguished Vice Chancellor, Professor Ashok K. Ghosh sir, Registrar Shri Sanjeev Agarwal sir, Controller of Examinations, Dr. Anuj Srivastava, Finance Officer, Dr. M.P. Pandey, all the directors of the different schools and all the alumni present here. A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Navneet Verma, Director, Pharmacy Academy. I am also an alumni of this IFTM University. I can say IFTM. I am completing my Bachelor of Pharmacy in 2004. That was the first batch of UP Technical University, Lucknow. I welcome to all of you. And I can say I thanks to all the alumni present here to spare the time from your busy schedule, because you are all doing the job in an industry or doing the business, their own business. You are here because there is a bond between you people and IFTM. I can say one thing about the value of bond. When I interact with someone outside India, with an Indian, so there is a bond is automatically created because both are Indians. Similarly, when we interact with the person who is pass out student of IFTM, or I can say alumni of IFTM, then our interaction is converted into a bond because both are from the same organization, that is IFTM. And each and every organization is feel happy when their students is growing, rising globally. Similarly, when the institute is growing
the students also feel happy. An example is IFTM. Most of the you people are here after a long period of time, maybe after 10 years or 15 years, from the batches of 1996 or 2000 batch. And I think you are feeling very joyful to see the huge infrastructure of IFTM University, which was started only from the 3 or 4 rooms of Hindu College and now spread approximately 50 acres of land. Most of the you people are doing their own business, and maybe associated with the repetitive organization, and there is a possibility that you are in the panel of interview also of their organization. Whenever at the time of interview in your organization, you get a chance to interact with a student of IFTM, then I think you will definitely support that person, because you are the person, the pass out student of IFTM, the alumni of IFTM, and that student is come from the IFTM for the interview. You will promote to that person, you will give the priority to that person within the limit, not beyond the limit, because we all are the IFTM, and I feel proud to be a part of IFTM. Thanks once again to all the alumni present here to spare the time to attend this meeting. Thank you.
Time to time, we are all very thankful to the excellent and remarkable stewardship of our Chief Patron, Dr. Rajiv Kothiwal sir, who has been very instrumental in pacing up this growth. He has been a pillar of strength in giving us
the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First of all, I would like to thank all the alumni present here, accepting our invitation and sparing precious time to attend this meeting of Alumni Association. I appeal all the alumni to stay connected with this university. I thank our Honorable Chancellor Sir, Shri Rajiv Kothiwal, who despite his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. Your blessings are always a motivating tool for us. Sir, I may like to express my sincere thanks to the member of IFTM Society, Shri Abhinav Kothiwal, for his benign presence and appreciation. We are also grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor A.K. Ghosh, for his words of encouragement. His able guidance has always encouraged us. I thank him for his kindness and continued support. I also extend my thanks to our registrars, Shri Sanjeev Agarwal and Finance Officer Dr. M.P. Pandey for their enormous cooperation in the organization of this event. I thank our Controller of Examination and President Interim, Dr. Anush Srivastava of Alumni Association, for his stewardship, vision, commitment and unstinted support for this meet. Sir, without your able guidance, this meet could not be possible. My heartfelt thanks to all directors of various schools and faculty for their valuable contribution, guidance and encouragement in all our efforts due to which this meeting of Alumni Association is organized. An event like this will not happen overnight. The wheels started rolling months ago. We have been fortunate to be back with a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues and staff. I thank everyone for extending their willingness to undertake various responsibilities for making this event a success. I thank all the students volunteers for their cooperation in making this function a resounding success. I also thank the members of media for enlisting interest in covering the event. Once again, thank you very much to all who assembled here. Thank you. बहुत बहुत आभार. Jai Hind, Jai IFTM.
Thank you, sir. The end of one story is new beginning of many others. I would like to thank all the dignitaries on stage, respected directors and distinguished alumni, media persons for your valuable presence today. On this note, let's conclude a remarkable and memorable first meeting of IFTM University Alumni Association. All the respected dignitaries and alumni present in the hall are informed that the Cultural Day of IFTM University, Samavesh 2019, has been rescheduled from 2nd March 2019 to 14th March 2019. You all are cordially invited to join us on 14th March. पुलवामा आतंकी हमले में हुए शहीदों की दिवंगत आत्मा को श्रद्धांजलि देने के उद्देश्य से हम 2 मिनट का मौन धारण करेंगे, which will be followed by national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request all